So we're gonna hop right into this video. For this bun, you're gonna need a hair tie. I basically just took an elastic hairband and cut it in half so that I could tie it myself. You are going to need a soft brush. You are going to need a gel of choice. I'll be using the Wet Lime Extreme professional gel, and then you will need something to lay the hair down once it is complete. This is a major key because this is what is going to lay your hair and put it into place. So currently my hair is just a couple day old wash and go. I'm gonna go ahead and put this into a hot puff. So let us begin. So what you're gonna do is I'm gonna put my hair up and I'm gonna take my spray bottle and I'm going to spray around the perimeter of my hair. So I'm gonna go ahead and continue to spray the perimeter of my hair. Next, I'll be taking my Wet Lime Extreme gel and I'm going to be applying that around the perimeter. We're going to use a generous amount and we're going to apply that around the perimeter of our hair. So, I'm going to apply the gel around the perimeter of our hair. Then we're gonna go ahead and brush it in. And you want to use a generous amount of gel so your bun can be sleek. Next, I'm gonna go ahead and take my twisty tie and I'm gonna start in the back. And then in the back, you're gonna go ahead and take your twisty tie and you are going to come in the front here and you're gonna cross like you're tying your shoes. So you're gonna cross one cross and then you're gonna go ahead and bring it up. In the back, now you're gonna go ahead and push up the hair tie like this. Push it up and then make sure you don't get the hair caught in your hand. You are gonna go ahead and pull. So you're gonna pull like so. Then I'm gonna take the rest of it and I'm gonna move the hair out of the way. Continue to push up the hair tie how you like it. And then I'm gonna take the hair tie in the back and I'm going to not make a bow tie, but I'm just gonna cross it one time and then cross it another time. And then cross it one more time. And then for this part, I'm just gonna tuck the hair over and tuck it into the rest. All right. Now you have your puff. So you're gonna pull it out as you like. Now for the last part, what is a puff without baby hair? So we're gonna go ahead and lay our baby hair. So fix your puff as you like. Make it cute, make it cute. And before I do the baby hairs, I'm gonna add some here because you might wanna add gel again to the actual ponytail, to your actual hair, because you see how we have these frizzes? You wanna add a little bit more gel. So I'm gonna add a little bit more gel so our bun is sleek. And before we do the baby hair, we're gonna brush these in and brush these up and get all of those little frizzy flyaways. So then I just take my edges and I take the medium and I kind of do a swoop, but this is how mine's turn out. I do like this and then I do one right here at the top and then I branch off of that one to a second one. So same thing on this side. We're gonna go ahead and swoop it down from the middle. Right? Yeah, see what I'm doing? And then swoop it up and then break it right there in the middle. And I swoop it and make another swoop. So kind of similar, not the same thing at all, but I might come back with one of those for y'all another time. For right now, we're gonna do the classic Francis baby hair. So this is how I lay my baby hairs. I'm just gonna go ahead and brush it up. And then on the other side, same thing. I'm gonna take this and we're gonna brush it up and brush it up. And now I'm gonna take my pink scarf and then we're gonna go ahead and cross in the back and pull. And then we're going to go ahead and tie. So I go ahead and I let this sit on my hair for about 3 to 4 minutes. I find that to be the prime time, maybe 5 minutes. I usually put this on my hair if I'm about to get ready or do my makeup so that my hair can have time to lay down. So we're gonna go ahead and let this sit on my hair and then I'm going to take it out and our high puff is complete. So now that we've waited, I'm gonna go ahead and remove the hair tie. Ooh, and our edges are laid. So this is the completed look. A couple other things you can do to like jazz it up is you can take a couple of your curls and you can bring them down. No, don't worry if you don't like them. You can go ahead and tuck them back up. But sometimes I like to take a couple curls and kind of bring them down. And you can do this and you can go throughout your hair and add however many you like, but I usually do about 2. Sometimes I do multiple ones and just pull a couple curls down. I like how that looks. Next, we can't forget to add our earrings back on. Gotta add the hoops, gotta put our hoops back. You know what I'm saying? Gotta put our hoops back. Can't be out here hoopless. Gotta put our hoops back in. Alright guys, so this is the finished look. Thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, make sure to give it a big thumbs up and make sure to turn on that notification bell to stay tuned. So thank you so much for watching guys, and until the next time,